Hey, it's John and Justin again, here for Developer Day 18. We're back from Christmas.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed your Christmas and New Year too. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our indexing and geocoding, how we take this data about record collections and figure out what places they're associated with. So first, here is a page in the Family Search Family History Library catalog of parish registers for 1910. Family Search makes it really easy for us. They have this list of subjects, which as you see have place names in there. And so those are pretty easy for us to parse, to just extract the place, and that makes it really easy for us to geocode. Sometimes they have subjects that are surnames or other miscellaneous things, but we just kind of, either they don't geocode or we ignore them. Yeah. Ancestry is another story though, not quite as easy. For example, if we were to look at this one page for a collection, there's not really anything that says here's the list of places this collection goes with. So really all we have is the title. Here we have London, England, Surrey, England, West Yorkshire, England, electoral registers. Somehow we have to look at that string, these titles, and extract the places, or a list of possible places to do geocoding. And so we've spent a lot of time this week, and John's going to tell you a little bit about how we're doing that.
Yeah. So it was essentially my job to come up with a way of figuring out where this mapped to locally. So after a couple false starts, we decided on an algorithm that would essentially take the string, partition it up into pieces, and then try to remove pieces it knew were not places. So we could look at this and 314-1853, that's not a place. We know that for sure. Places like this, marriages and bands, or baptisms, or colleges, those are not places. So what we can do is we can remove those. And then after we remove some of those main words, those genealogy-based words, we can go back through and whack out stop words. So if we remove colleges, we could remove there, because there is not in any place, and we can remove and we can kind of chomp our way back until we're left with just England, or down here just New South Wales, Australia. There are some words that we can't really do that for, but we've kind of taken that into account in our algorithm, where we try the best possible, longest one, the likeliest one, and then kind of go down the list. And once we find something, say we find West Yorkshire, England, we don't also try to find England, because we already have something more specific. So after doing that, we keep track of all the times we geocode and when we can't geocode something. And we have a nice little reporting tool that we can run that lets us know what our processes are searching on and what we can potentially add to stop words. So Railway Magazine January. Well, Jan, that's something that we can probably add to our date-based stop words. Same thing with February. We can probably add dictionary. There's probably not a place called dictionary out there, but we would have to look and make sure. But we can go through that and kind of refine our algorithm over time and rerun our indexing process.
As well as add more data to our places database. For example, you can see there in that list, you can't see it here, but Gloucestershire was in there once. Yeah. Both some of those. And we can say, we know what Gloucestershire is, and so we can go at it.
So once we do that, we have our gen extractor, or genealogical information extractor, and we have a suite of test cases on that. And just before we shot this video, I was in the process of adding test number 14 to it. So you'll notice we have this weird case where we've got this almanac 4, and this 4 thing is a stop word. It's at the end. We should be whacking that off, but we're not. So I don't know why yet. By the time you see this video, I will, and it will be corrected, and we will not get any more failures. So that's what we've been working on this week.
So that's been kind of fun, interesting project. Next week is the mad dash to get ready for the Roots Tech Developer Challenge. The submission deadline, I think, is Friday. So we'll be hopefully finish all this so we got something to show. But anyhow, this has been Justin and John for Developer Day number 18. Thanks for watching.